Hello childrens, lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Inside this, complementary, supplementary angles we had seen already. Practice set number 17 I told you, and in last lecture we seen the opposite ray, and practice set number 18 also I told you how to solve this. After this practice set, okay, you just recall the property that I have taught you. First property I told you, that is the complementary angles property is there. If sum of measures of two angles, sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then these angles are called as a complementary angles. Okay, these angles may be adjacent angles or they may not be adjacent angles. And second, the sum of measures of two angles is how much? 180 degree, is 180 degree. Then these angles are called as a supplementary angles. Okay, and then we see the opposite rays property yesterday, and today we are going to see the angles in the linear pair. Okay, so write the names of the angle in the given figure alongside. You know that you studied all the angles. If I will draw this line, okay, A, O, B, then tell me it is which type of angle? It is a straight angle. Yes, and measure of straight angle is how much? 180 degree. Now this is the related to this figure also. How it is I will tell you now. First of all, we have to write the names of the angle in the figure alongside. So which angles are present here inside it? For this angle PQR, here which angles are there? Angle PQR, and another angle is RQS. Okay, these two angles are present in this figure. What type of pair of angles is this? Now if you see here, according to the definition of the, here it is one common ray in between these two angles PQR and RQS. Inside QR is a common ray, it is the common ray. The common vertex is the Q, and the interior portion of the both angles are different one. Okay, PQR's interior portion is this side and RQS interior portion is at this side. Okay, and that's why these all the properties of these angles are what happens, they shows the similarity with the adjacent angles. And so which type of this pair of angles are this? These are the adjacent angles. Okay, the next question is the which arms of the angles are not the common arm? Which arms are not the common arm? So common arm which I told you, QR is a common arm. So which are the not a common arm? Angle has a which? Two arms. Okay, from these two, one is common for these both the angles PQR and the RQS. So QP and QS, these are the, okay, ray PQ and ray PQ, not ray QP and ray QS. Okay, these are the common not a common arms. Okay, next what we have to do, we have to measure the angle of PQR. Now you have a protractor, you measure the angle, what is its measure? I will write here, as it is only means it may be nearly approximately 130 maybe. Okay, then QRS is equal to how much? 50 degree, and the sum is equal to how much? Both these angles is 180 degree. Okay, you just draw this figure, okay, in your notebook. Okay, you take your own angles, but this line must be the straight line. Straight line means straight angle or straight line, and the sum of measures of PQR plus RQS is equals to how much? 180 degree. The angles PQR and RQS in the figure above are adjacent angles. Yes, they are adjacent angles. Why? Because it has a common arm. The interior parts are different for both the angles, and Q is the common vertex for this. So these are the adjacent angles. and also the supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary means its measure is equal to how much? 180. Means they are adjacent also and they are supplementary also, and the arms that are not common to both angles are a pair of opposite angles, opposite angles, opposite rays, sorry. So QS is opposite to QP. Okay, opposite ray. That is, these arms form a straight line. Okay, straight line. So we say that these angles form a linear pairs. Okay, so such a type of angles are called as a linear pair. So what is the exact definition? If the PQ, if two angles are adjacent angles, they are supplementary. Okay, supplementary inside what is there? The another two different angles which are not adjacent, those are also supplementary. Suppose I draw an angle here 100 degrees. Suppose this angle is 100 degree and 100 degree. One more I will draw, it is 80 degree. So 100 plus 80, these also supplementary angles, but they must be adjacent. They must be supplementary, and their means the vertex is there. Okay, these are the opposite, means the PS must be the straight line. Then such a pair of angles are called as a linear pairs of angles. And here it is given that the sum of measures of angles in the linear pair is how much? 180 degree. Okay, so this is the information about the linear pairs of angles. Okay, so here the next question is the angles which have a common arm, that is the definition. Common arm whose other arms form a straight angle, means which is a common arm except that remaining two arms are in a straight line and are said to be the angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Okay, use the straws or sticks to make all kinds of angles that you have learned about. Okay, that we have learned about. So I will show you how it is there. So to show this all whatever we learn in this lesson, I will take some matchsticks and I will show you these all activities. Okay, so here I took some matchsticks. Okay, so first of all, if I want to show you the which, that is the two, this is my angle. Okay, this is my angle, it has a two arms. Okay, and the point, which black point is there. Okay, if we meet each other, this is my vertex, this is my vertex. As you know that this is acute angle, this one is the right angle, this one is the obtuse angle, this one is the obtuse angle. Then the next it is the, one minute, next it is the straight angle. Okay, this type of. Now what is the meaning of complementary angle? Suppose these two sticks are there, and these two matchsticks are there. Okay, and I want to show you the complementary angle. So suppose this is the angle. First of all, adjacent angles I told you. So this is our adjacent angles. Two angles are there. Which are those two angles? So see here, this one, this matchstick is the common arm for both the angles. Okay, so this is the adjacent, this is the adjacent angles. Okay, now if these two adjacent angles measure is 90 degree, okay, these two angles measure is the 90 degree, then these angles are called as a, which type of angle? These angles are called as a complementary angles if its measure is 90 degree. This and this, both angles measure is 90 degree. Okay, then next I told you, if, okay, suppose here, if you see here, you measure it here, you will notice that the measures of these two angles, okay, this and that, both angles measure, if you done addition, then its measure is 90 degree, right? So here if you see here, interior portion also, see here, it is different one for the both the angles. This is the interior portion of this angle, this is interior portion of another angle, this is the common arm and this is a common vertex. Okay, so such a type of angle is called as a which? Complementary angles. Now the next point we studied, it is the, which is that is opposite arms. Suppose I will hold this in this way, these pencils, that matchsticks. You will notice that, okay, you will notice that these two are pointed, black points are there, that black points are there, they are exactly opposite to each other. The one side is towards the left and one side is towards the right. So such angles are called as a which angles, that is the that this is called as a straight angle. Okay, and straight angle inside, if I will add the one of the arm, and if you see here, this is the common arm. We will show it with a different color. This is the common arm, okay, which I shown with the violet color and pink colors. These are the opposite arms and they are opposite rays of each other. The interior portion is different, and if you done the addition of these two angles, this angle and this angle, its measure is 180 degree, and such a type of angles are called as a supplementary angles. These angles are called as supplementary angles. Okay, so that we had studied that supplementary angles measure is 180, complementary angles measure is 90 degree, but they have a common. And one more thing I will, this is the complementary. One more thing I have told you, that is the, okay, if one angle I will take it here 90 degrees, one more I will take here angle whose measure is also how much, 90 degree. The measure of both the angles are 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. But are these angles linear pairs of angles? No, they are not a linear pairs of angle. Why? Because their interior portions are different and they doesn't have any common arm. If I will remove this and I will join it here, now they are linear pairs of angles. Now they are linear pairs of angle. Okay, because there is a one common arm in between these two angles. Okay, clear all of you? Here using straw sticks we have to make the all kinds of angles and we learn about it. Okay, so in this way we can study which is linear pairs of angle, the angle which has a one common arm, one common vertex, and except this common arm, remaining two arms are the opposite rays of each other, and the sum of measures of PQR plus RQS is equal to 180. Means if it is a linear supplementary to each other, then this angle is called as a supplementary angles. Okay, so here you have to solve the practice set number 19 as a today's homework. Okay, if you are not able to solve this, then also no problem, I will show you how to solve this. Here what we have to do, we have to draw the first explain, I will explain you what to do and you just do it, no problem. Draw the pairs of angles described below. Okay, we have to draw these angles, and if that is possible, say why. If this is possible, for example, complementary angles are not adjacent. Complementary angles are not adjacent. Complementary angles are adjacent also. So why? If not possible, they are asking. Not possible. If it is possible, so it's not necessary to write the forwards answer. In this way, we have to, what we have to do? Each question we have to, for each question we have to draw the figure and we have to tally that property with this statement. Okay, if it is correct, no problem, you just draw the figure and just write it is possible, and if it is not possible, then you have to write its reason why it is not possible, and for that you have to use the definitions that is given in our lesson, that is adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, that we have to keep in your mind and solve this practice set number 19. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only at this place only. So the next part of the lesson, okay, vertically opposite angle and the practice set number 19. If you have doubts, then both we will discuss in our next lecture. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.